you have to use your body language. Just take that hand to that level, and you have to use just like that. You have to use that hands. Yeah. Say hi, all of you. Say hi, all of you. Hi, Omkar. Say hi, Omkar. How are you, Omkar? Say ask him how are you, Omkar. Just you have to use that body language like that, and eye contact. Just you have to maintain your eye contact properly, and little bit smile on your face. Getting my point? Well guys, this is your senior educator, director and founder of Cosmos English Academy. So guys, in this session we are just conducting the camera activities. Camera activity means in front of camera we are just checking how he can speak. Yeah, how he will elaborate his thoughts in front of camera. I just want to check. He is my student. Say your name.
My name is Rishikesh Daswab.
Let me clear one thing guys. Look. Rishikesh wants to elaborate some thoughts regarding to be and to have. So in this session, but we are starting from the introductory session. Then we are going to discuss regarding present, past, future. In simple way, present, past, future means nothing, guys. We just the making of practice. We just doing the practice of we are practicing regarding to be and to have. What is meant by to be, where to use to have, the uses of to be, how to show the to be action in the past, how to show the future actions in to have. So each and every concept we are going to discuss in this session, and we just want to observe his body language. That's why we have providing such extraordinary and dominant method, and that method will play a vital, pivotal role in students' life. And that method deal with the GTM method. Guys, you know well, GTM method is nothing but GTM method means grammar translation method. If you want to speak fluent English, that time you should have to deal with GTM method, grammar translation method. Practice makes man perfect in such ways, guys. You have to do practice in front of camera. You have to need a start your rear camera. Yeah, start your rear camera, and just what I taught you in a classroom, what I taught you through the online media means whatever I have uploaded videos on YouTube, on a social media, on our Instagram page. Just you have to look that video and you have to do the practice at your home. Once you will addict with, once you will attune with the practice, that time you will be able to speak English fluently like me. And nothing, guys, you just need to little bit words, little bit grammar rules. Yeah, what is meant by speaking? Speaking is nothing but just you have to elaborate your thoughts. What do you have to use? You have to elaborate your thoughts. In a such case, look, whatever I'm just using 6 types of sentences while I'm speaking. Which 6 types of sentences? I have taught you, I have taught him also the 6 types of sentences. First assertive, then interrogative, then negative, then interrogative negative, then WH interrogative, and WH interrogative negative. These are the 6 types of sentences. And what is meant by sentence? Look guys, letters form words, words form sentences. Sentences is nothing but we need to communicate. Yeah, we need to communicate in any language, in Marathi language, in Hindi language, otherwise in English language. We need a group of words while speaking. If sender sends a message and receiver decodes that message, that time of communication will be a perfect. Yeah, so we need a group of words to deliver our message. And what I'm using, I'm just using the sentences, assertive sentences, interrogative. If I'm asking a question to Rishikesh, that time I'm using interrogative, otherwise I'm using a WH question. Yeah, English language is a very easy language, guys. Just you need to know some rules and regulations, and just you have to do practice, more and more practice. So since from 21st June we have commenced this session, and Rishikesh had joined the batch from 21 June. So today we are conducting such an activity. Rishikesh will elaborate his introduction. After that, when Rishikesh finished, that time that time Omkar Vishay will come, and Omkar also commence his practice session with the help of to be and to have, and he will capable. He will do his best for today's session. Are you ready, Rushikesh?
Yes.
Yeah. So today we are going to start. Let's start. What is meant by to be? Tell. You have to just speak. Yeah. First, do your introduction. Yeah. What is do your introduction? Tell me something about you to our audience.
Good morning. My name is Rishikesh Swagmare. I come from Latur. I have completed Bachelor of Commerce in Dayanand College of Commerce. In other qualification is MSCIT in Success Path. Thank you.
Great, great, well done. Now you have to elaborate what is meant by to be. Tell the one sentence of to be and in what is the definition, where to use to be, and what is to be present, to be past, and to be future. You have to just tell to our audience.
To be means that is the word sentence.
Yeah. To be means information.
Information.
Yeah.
Information.
Tell one sentence, present, past, future in 6 times.
6 types. Present. I am student.
Yeah, I am student.
Am I student?
Yeah,
I am not student.
good.
I am not student.
Am I not
I
student?
am
Yeah.
not student. Who is student?
Correct.
Who is not student?
Excellent. In past,
I was student. Was I student? I was not student. Was I not student? Was I not a student? Who was student?
correct.
Who was not student?
Great. In future,
I shall be student. Shall I be student?
correct.
Student. I shall not be student.
Excellent.
Who is student?
Who is or who will be in future? What you have to use is or will be, which is appropriate helping of there in future.
Who will be student?
Correct.
Who will not student?
Who will not be student. Correct. Now you have to tell the table. I am, I was, I shall be. You have to tell the table of to be.
And the third
All the pronouns and helping verbs. Yeah.
pronouns. Pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it, they. In present, I am, we are, you are, he is, she is, it is, they are. The future, present, I was.
Now past.
Past.
You have to elaborate past. Yeah.
In past, I was, she was, he was, it was, they were, you were.
Correct. Now in future,
In future, I shall be, we will be, you will be, he will be, it will be, they will be.
now but you have to use your body language. Just take that hand to that level, and you have to use just like that. You have to use that hand. Yeah. Say hi, all of you. Say hi, all of you. Hi, Omkar. Say hi, Omkar. How are you, Omkar? Say ask him how are you, Omkar. Just you have to use that body language like that, and eye contact. Just you have to maintain your eye contact properly, and little bit smile on your face. Getting my point? Now next, you have to elaborate to have. One sentence. What is mean by to have? Just like that. To be is information. Then what is mean by to have? To have is possession.
Possession.
Yeah. Possession means in some case monkey hug. Yeah. Chalo. Elaborate one sentence.
I have student.
Yeah.
I have student.
I have to know like that. You have to take a sentence like that. I have a dream. In Marathi, माझ्याकडे स्वप्न आहे. Just speak. I have a dream.
I have car.
Yeah. I have car. Yeah. Say I have Mercedes. Say
I have Mercedes car.